What
I
is
realised my family lives here, but I don't know where they live. Let's check in this door.
Yeah. Ah! What is this?
There's a pet in there! My family!
Your family needs help. This is for you, Ball. Ball, you can do this, Ball. Yes.
Ball, you need to save my family. Get out! You just used the ball, now I have to start again!
Sorry.
I was so close. I was like there when you ruined it. Got it!
Right, let's go.
Family member over
Ah! How are we supposed to get?
there. Made you!
That's your friend. That's your
I
sibling.
made you.
Yes, so.
Blah, blah, blah. Which door?
Hi, Mrs. Robin and Mr. Wait, no. That's Ryan the bully! Whoa, whoa. Get on the lily pad. Ryan the bully and Mrs. Rachel's here.
Ah!
No! Come on. Oh, I've got to rescue a pet. That's one of your family members.
E.
Wait, Layla. I mean,
Thank you.
Crumble. Crumble.
Yeah.
There's a family member.
There's a family member.
Wait, I need to save that cat family member.
There's a family member over there.
Wait, I haven't saved it yet.
Hello, you're just spinning round and round. Oh yeah, I've already got them.
Yes, Chester, the brother.
Up on it.
Round, mustard tea, and it's full of mustard tea. I'm kind of black. Got the gun in my hand. Don't tell me we have these lily pads again.
We need over there, and there's a cat door.
Wait, Layla, Crumble, I found two family members that I haven't
There's a
found
cat
yet.
door.
Oh,
I've already got one.
Dr. Paws, that's your dad. I remember having a play date with him.
Hop on.
I'll
My
be
pet's-
with you and for him.
There's a button that you need to press. And there's a family member over there before you can get over there.
Juicy. Everybody's talking about Juicy.
There's a button over there, over here. And there's a pet in there.
Everybody wants the piece. Wait, Layla, I've got a song for Juicy. Everybody wants the piece of the action. Everybody's talking about Juicy.
Yeah. Yeah. And there's a pet in there.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, I remember this was my house that all got down. It got knocked down. This used to be my house on floor 2 in the apartment.
There's two family members in here, but a guard's guarding them.
Oh, I swear if this to say again, I'm gonna.
There's a family member, so be sneaking. That's not sneaking.
Oh, there's actually 3.
Yeah, well,
Crumble, there's actually 3.
I actually collected that one up there.
Striker, right, that was your other brother. Right, let's rest.
I can't get this one.
Candy corn, that's your sister. Oh, there's also one behind. No, there's one hiding. There's a meow hiding. It's called meow, I'm not
Is it
lying.
hiding?
It's hiding where the manager is, right here.
I already.
It's called meow, do you like that? It's called meow, that's funny.
Wait a minute. There's a ball under where the guard's guarding. And we need to collect a ball up there
Oh.
to save
Apple.
to get.
I'll bring Mum. That's your mate.
There's a ball up here. We need it.
Everybody wanna be so. Wait, Layla, there's one hiding up on the vending machine as well. How many kitties are there?
I've got 0.0 health.
Veteran. Wow, you have so many siblings.
Hey, boy.
Where are you?
There's a ball up there. You need to push it.
No, there's no way I actually made that trick shot.